I don't, as I walk around, I think I may have given incorrect instructions on how this goes together. The distance from the roof of one to the roof of the other should be 2'8". Let me put that into a simple dumb perspective. Break off a piece of that foam and bring it over here. Just bring the whole foam. That's right there. Let me put this in real simple terms. So that distance is 2'8", right? What's your contour interval for your steps of the topo? 2'8". Right? That if you don't want, if you want to cheat, that's the way you cheat. All right? You just figure out that it's like that. The reason for that is so that you can step down the topo, right? And so this could go on a higher one, this could be on the next step down, and it's good to go. Okay? The same thing with the bedrooms. The bedrooms can either go down 2'6", or they can go up 2'6". They cannot, the bottom of them cannot be level, and the top of them cannot be level with the corridor. So your two options with the corridors are to go down 2'6", which is that thickness right there. Right? That's one option. Right? The other option is to go up 2'6". So again, we'll use that as my little measuring thing, and it could go like that. It cannot be like this. Why? What happens in that? What are we creating right there? We're creating two coplanar surfaces, and that's where with this project we're trying to avoid those things. Okay. All right. So your homework for Tuesday is going to be to finalize the design the way you think it's going to work on your site. Okay. If you haven't already connected all of these correctly, they need to be connected. So again, I'm going to reiterate, the 4-foot dimension sticks forward, the 6-foot dimension goes sideways. Okay? Make sure that your living room and dining room combination are joined together, as well as your library. The library one, this distance will continue to be one contour interval, 2'8". But how much you interpenetrate them is up to you, as long as it meets the 2-foot minimum. Okay? So if you want to have a big thing like this, that's fine. If you want to squeeze them together more, that's fine. Okay? That part is up to you. What I'm looking for you guys to have for Tuesday is your living room, dining room already collided, which you already done. Your bedroom and bathrooms already collided, which you've already done. And your library/study collided, which you have not done. All right? And then I want you to compose it all in your best of the best design on your site. And it should be all taped up solid so that things aren't moving. It's okay for bedrooms to float. So it's okay for this bedroom to be up like this, right? Floating and not touching anything down here. I'm okay with that. We'll talk about it later, how we'll deal with that. Because Gunnar, you kind of asked me a question about, that wasn't exactly that, but it was similar to that. Remember you had all those poles sticking down? So this kind of goes towards what you were asking, which is, can things sort of hover? We're going to talk about maybe using, either cutting this one down so this comes to level, or potentially using some small poles to hold that up or something. We'll talk about that in the future, but I need you guys to finalize your design. Now, once you have finalized the design, I need you to take all of these pieces and draw a floor plan. So now you saw how today we drew a floor plan of these connecting to these. It was all up on the board here. It still is, right? So I want you guys to take your design and take the pieces and put them onto, so the pieces are all up and down like this. I want you to draw the line all the way around, show where the walls are, and show me where your openings are, where your doors are between the rooms and where your stairs are. I'm going to tell you right now, so when I look at your drawing that you're going to bring back, that's the main thing you're doing for Monday. I better see stairs between everything except the only place that I don't have to see stairs between is between the bedroom and the bathroom. Between the living room, dining room, kitchen, there are stairs. Where this connects to this, there may or may not be stairs, because notice that you're allowed to have coplanar floors, but not roofs. So that one may or may not have. If you're connecting them like that, that's fine, right? So that the floor can be coplanar, but not the roofs. But I bet I'm going to be looking for stairs all over this drawing.
So when you say you want to see drawing, never mind.
It's a floor plan drawing of all this stuff. I want it physical. I do not want you to say, oh, it's in the computer. Look at me. You are welcome to do it in the computer, but if you have to print it to two 11 by 17s and stick them together so that I can see the whole floor plan, then do that. So you can do it in the computer, but it has to come back printed to scale. I should be able to pick your model up and hold it over the plan, and they should match exactly. Make a note of this. Your floor plan should show wall thicknesses in every room. It should show the penetrations between things, and it should show stairs. We have not gotten to windows yet. We will be getting to windows on Monday or Tuesday. Okay? Is that clear? So the main thing that you've got is this floor plan with all of the connections between things and all of the stairs between them all. And you have to have the model done and bring back your site so that I can compare the two. Okay? Any other questions? That's it. You guys are done. See you guys all on Tuesday.